Hi, my name is Taylor Perez. I'm a comprehensive planner at SERPED, and today I'm going to show you how to use the SCBA Feasibility Study Points of Interest Mapping exercise. We're going to start on the Feasibility Study project webpage. You'll notice a sub-navigation menu at the bottom of the header image. Click on Points of Interest Mapping exercise. Here you'll see a brief description of the exercise as well as a pin icon. To open the exercise, click the pin. A new tab will open with the survey. The first thing you should do is click the icon in the upper right corner that shows 4 squares. Scroll all the way down and click on the SCBA survey map. To move around on the map, click and drag. To zoom in and out on the map, use the plus and minus buttons in the upper left corner of the map window. You can also press and hold the control button on your keyboard and use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. To place a pin where you may have a comment or concern about a route, zoom in to the area you are interested in and click. You will notice a blue pin icon appears. You can then scroll down and use the survey questions to leave your feedback. There are 3 options for what you would like to tell us about the pin you have dropped. You can then tell us about the route, issue, or other comment you may have using the text box. We also ask that you let us know if you are a resident in the region, an elected official, or an employee of the state or a municipality in the region. Optionally, you may leave your email if you would like to be added to the SCBA Feasibility Study mailing list. When you are satisfied with the feedback you have left us, you can press Submit. If you would like to leave feedback about other routes or areas, simply refresh the page and fill out the survey again. Once you feel you are satisfied with the feedback you have left, you can simply close the tab and you're done. We thank you for participating in the SCBA Feasibility Study Points of Interest Mapping exercise.